Handy settings that will allow you to save money on HP printers that use the W2040 series, also known as the 416 or 216, depending on your region, and the W2110 series, also known as the 206. Scroll across the home menu and select Setup. Scroll down and select Service. Scroll down again and select Laserjet Update. You will see a message that states Updates enhanced functionality. Your printer will not print faster or better quality if you run firmware updates. One function it will update is to limit your choice to save money by using alternate brand cartridges. That is not a benefit to you, so don't fall for that trick. HP recommends that you should use high quality cartridges in their printers. I agree with that principle. There are many cheap aftermarket brands that will save you money, but you sacrifice quality or in many cases page yield. So you get less printed pages because the toner powder is a poor match, leading to a lot of waste toner left in the cartridge, or worse still, leaks. So the savings are not always what they seem. You can cut costs without cutting quality by using an alternate brand like Cartridge Universe or Eco Advanced. They use high quality toner powder designed specifically for your printer. There are cheaper brands, but they use generic toner powder and come with higher customer dissatisfaction. The extra savings are rarely worth the risk to your printer and time. Okay, let's get back to the settings. Click on the Next button and Manage Updates. Click on Allow Updates in the menu and select No. Now select Prompt before install and select Always Prompt. Last up, let's select Check Automatically and select Off. Press the Home icon and you're all set. What we've done is not allow updates. This stops someone accidentally updating. We have disabled any automatic updates without you agreeing to them, and we have stopped the printer looking on the internet for unwanted updates.